Hello, Roy Kerckhoffs here. Today I'm going to color this little guy. This is the Lighthouse in Point Loma in San Diego, California. Of course, it's always hard to photograph something that has been photographed a million times before, but here I tried a little bit of a different approach, so I put the main focus actually on this pretty pine tree, which is in the front of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of blue to the back here. I like this photo very much as black and white, and mostly I sold it just as black and white like this, but I have colored it a couple of times, which I'm going to do here too. Then I'll add a little bit of green here, a little bit of burnt sienna, some green here, and there's some plants, so maybe I'll add some color to those plants too. I don't know yet, we'll see. So let's get started. I'm going to use my Marshall photo oils. It comes in 4-inch tubes and 2-inch tubes. Burnt sienna, another one that I use a lot. And then for the sky, I'm going to use sky blue. Or green. So we have oxide green, which is in this little tube here. And then I'm going to add color using Q-tips and cotton rounds. So I like to start with large surfaces first. In this case it doesn't matter too much because I don't think I'll get close to a lot of detail with this blue. This is really just to give it a little bit of a tint in the darkest parts here. You can see I'm just rubbing it on with the cotton round. See, I went a little bit over the lines here onto the lighthouse and the flag, but this paint easily removed, so I'm going to remove that with a Q-tip later. Maybe add a little more here. It's a little more saturated if you add it on a little thicker. And then maybe on this side of the tree too. Well, I say maybe, but I'm doing it. Okay, now let's take burnt sienna, color that I use a lot. I don't need much of it here. It's really just for the biggest branches. And we're going to add that with a Q-tip. Making a dabbing motion. See where we see more branches over here. That's probably good. So let's add some green now. The oxide green. Clean new Q-tip. A little more here. A lot of these I won't do because these are like single needles and the background, the clouds are coming through it. So I think I'm gonna leave it this way. I'll pick up some of that green and add it to the vegetation down below here. And that's basically it. This was a short tutorial, quickly done for the Lighthouse and Point Loma. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time.